So one of our family favorites and a regular in our house is butter chicken from the Get Started book. I'm not going to give you exact measurements of what, but I'll tell you what ingredients I'm going to put in. If you want to know exact measurements, please go have a look at their books. They're awesome. It's Thermo, Foodie and the Chef. First of all, we're going to mull some almonds to get almond meal. And that we're going to do for 20 seconds, speed 10. There we go. Almonds into almond meal in 10 seconds. Just going to put that aside. Then we're going to add onion. We can't do onion, so celery. Garlic if you can. Ginger that I've frozen. So when I have extra fresh ginger, I chop it up and freeze them. So my ginger, and if you like chilies, you can add chilies as well. So we're going to just chop this up. 3 seconds. At speed 7. After we've chopped our celery up nice and fine, 3 seconds, we're going to add our butter or ghee. And also all the spices. So we've got paprika, coriander, cumin, turmeric and cinnamon in here. Just going to push this down to the bottom. And we're cooking that for 3 minutes on Varoma. 3 minutes on Varoma, speed 1 with your measuring cup in. No, let's take the measuring cup off for this one. This is smelling amazing with all these spices. Now we're going to add tomato paste. I've pre-measured this. And then we're going to just measure in the cream. So sliding to our scales, we need 200 grams of cream. There we go. Go back home. We also need a teaspoon of salt and our reserved almond meal to thicken it up. Now we're just going to mix all of that together for 30 seconds on speed 6. Now we've got a nice butter chicken sauce that we're going to cook our chicken in. So we'll add the chicken to this. I've just cut them. Chicken thighs work best, cut into small pieces. And we're going to cook that for 16 minutes. Come on Varoma reverse, very important, and speed 1. I might just turn the temperature down to 100. When you are doing cauliflower rice with this recipe is when you put it on varoma and you steam your cauliflower rice while you're cooking the chicken. Now we're just going to add the garam masala. This is now when you can put your varoma on with your cauliflower rice to cook that. I'm just going to put my steaming basket on top and cook it for another 6 minutes. Varoma, reverse, speed 1. And that's our buttered chicken done. This can now go into the freezer for a meal when we don't have time to cook. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this and would like to see more of the same kind of videos, please like and subscribe. If you want to find out more about Thermomix or purchase one, go to the description where you'll find my Facebook link and you can message me or get my buy button link to purchase a Thermomix. See you on the next Fun with Thermi.